Thank you and welcome to the show for today. The topic is the federal system of justice, the federal court system, and we're fortunate to have with us this morning to talk about the federal court system Judge William J. Haynes, who is the district judge for the Middle Tennessee District. And of course, Judge Haynes, let me welcome you to the show this morning.
Pleasure to be here, Dr. Haynes.
And to say, Judge, that we had you with us, I guess back in 1985, when I think on the 17th of May, we had a show called the Decision of Brown versus the Board of Education 1954,
yes,
when you served as a member of a panel that included a number of other citizens from Nashville, and of course we remembered that, and I've got some information that we wanted to bring to you in reference to that, but we forgot about it, but we'll make sure that you get it later on. But Judge, we're so delighted to have you here and to talk about the federal court system with us today. But let's start off by talking about William J. Haynes before he became Judge Haynes, to have you to give our audience some information about your background, your education, and some of the things that were important that eventually put you in the position that you're in now with the federal court system. And then we'll talk about the federal system itself.
I was born in Memphis, Tennessee in 1949 and attended school there and finished high school at Father Bertrand High School in Memphis. After that, I attended the College of St. Thomas in St. Paul, Minnesota. Small Catholic school, and was graduated in 1970. After graduation, I attended the Vanderbilt School of Law and was graduated in 1973. After graduation, I joined the Tennessee Attorney General's office, and I stayed there until 1984. While I was there, I served in a number of different capacities. The last number of years there, most of my time was spent as the Deputy Attorney General in charge of antitrust and consumer protection. And I was named Special Deputy Attorney General for litigation for a while before I went into private practice. I was in private practice only a brief period of time when I was named United States Magistrate for the Middle District of Tennessee. That's a judicial position that is filled by the district judges of this court. And as a magistrate, later magistrate judge, the title was changed to magistrate judge, I assist the district judges in the disposition of civil and criminal cases. In 1999, upon the recommendation of Vice President Gore, President Clinton nominated me to be a United States District Judge for the Middle District of Tennessee. And with the support of Senator Fred Thompson and Senator Bill Frist, I was confirmed by the United States Senate and have been serving as a district judge since November 1999.
And Judge, as a district judge, certainly you can give us some information about the federal court system, because I think that that's what we're concerned about today, about how this system operates. I think you've mentioned a number of positions that you've held that many of our viewers probably have very, very little idea in terms of exactly what you do in those positions. So let's look at the federal system, the federal court system, and give us sort of an explanation in reference to that system.
The federal judicial system was established by Article 3 of the Constitution, under which there was a Supreme Court created, and such inferior courts as Congress may from time to time establish and ordain. In our current federal system, you have, beyond the Supreme Court, courts of appeals, from which there are, of course, appeals from lower courts. The Court of Appeals that includes Tennessee is the Court of Appeals for the Sixth Circuit, and they hear appeals from Michigan, Ohio, Kentucky, and Tennessee. In Tennessee, there are three judicial districts. The Western District covers from the borders of the Mississippi to